Lufthansa is scrapping its shortest air route, replacing the service with a bus. The route between Munich and Nuremberg is just 86 miles or 138 kilometers as the crow flies. Lufthansa operates many domestic services across Germany, connecting major cities with its Frankfurt and Munich hubs. These services run alongside a comprehensive rail codeshare network. Over the past few years, short flights have come under increasing fire within the European Union. Some countries, such as France, have gone as far as to ban some routes that could feasibly be operated by train. However, according to airlines.de, the decision was prompted by the current aviation situation and not by environmental concerns. According to airlines.de, Lufthansa's Nuremberg to Munich route will be replaced with a bus service between the two airports. This Lufthansa Express bus will take 2¼ hours to connect the cities. Before this service was axed, it was reported that roughly 3% of passengers on the route in 2018 wanted to end their journey in Munich. The remaining 97% were connecting passengers. It seems that passengers will still be able to connect to Nuremberg by air if they don't wish to take the Lufthansa bus. Airliners.de reveals that a 118-mile or 190-kilometer service to Frankfurt will remain in operation. Meanwhile, fellow group airlines Austrian and Swiss will operate seasonal services to the city. Aero Telegraph reported that the Nuremberg-Munich service had received strong criticism from the German Green Party over the past few years. However, Lufthansa previously revealed that it's not worried about the impact of the Green Party in Germany. In late April, the group's CEO indicated that the party was not a threat as, when in power, they, quote, very much shift their policies towards supporting the economy. Sport doesn't see a ban on short flights as seen in France an issue either. In France, lawmakers seek to ban flights that can be completely by train in less than 2½ hours, and no connecting passengers would use the route. Firstly, the cancelled route was mainly connecting passengers as raised above. Spoor commented, "For those of you who've been following the decision of this French government, if that same ruling would have been adapted to Germany, only one domestic route in Germany would have been stopped, which is Düsseldorf to Stuttgart." What do you make of the Munich-Nuremberg route cancellation? With changing sustainability priorities, do you think airlines as companies should become more involved with ground-based transportation? Let us know what you think and why in the comments below. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles and a podcast every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you go.